हेलो एवरीवन वेलकम टू अकाल अकेडमी। ਅੱਜ ਦੀ ਅਸੀਂ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕਸ ਪੈਡਾਗੋਜੀ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਫਸਟ ਨੇਚਰ ਆਫ ਮੈਥਮੈਟਿਕਸ। ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਦੇ MCQ ਸੋਲਵ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਈਅਰ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਦੇ ਬੇਸ ਦੇ ਕੁਝ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਵਾਈਜ਼ ਨੇ। ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਵਾਈਜ਼ ਹੀ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਹਰ ਇੱਕ ਚੈਪਟਰ ਦੇ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਲਗਾਵਾਂਗੇ। ਸੋ ਆਪਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਫਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। First questions. When a lesson is divided into small units, when should comprehensive question be asked? Options. First, A, at the start of each unit, B, at the end of each unit, at the end of all the units, D, at any stage. So पहला question समझते हैं अपने कॉम्प्रीहेंशन क्वेश्चंस कदों पूछे जाते हैं चैप्टर के एंड ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ अपनी अंडरस्टैंडिंग चेक ਕਰਨ ਲਈ चैप्टर ਦੇ ਲਈ। So answer is B is correct answer at the end of each unit. Next question. Which of the following are considered internal qualities of a good mathematics book? Option A, good printing, scholarly presentations of the subject matter, suitable font type and size, all of the above. सो तीनों ही चीज़ें चेक की जाती बुक्स ਲਈ ਵੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦੀ ਕੁਆਲਿਟੀਜ਼ ਹੈ। सो all of the above. Option D. Question third. What is the defining characteristics of an essay type examinations? Bialities, reliabilities, objectivities. Option D is depends on memory. फिर essay type examination ਹੁੰਦੇ ਚ ਉਹ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਲਰਨ ਕਿੰਨਾ ਦਾ ਉਹਦੀ check on their memory, so depends on memory. Question 4. The device used to make teaching method more effective are known as. Techniques होंगे answer is the first option A, principles of teaching, techniques of teaching, methodology of teaching, none of the above. Teaching more effective not only different techniques use करेंगे, so answer B is right answer. Question number 5. Mathematics is considered the science of space, number, calculation. So तीनों ने consider करदा, so option D is all of the above. Giving an assignment to a student is categorized as a technique, ABAT, principle of teaching, maximum of teaching. So assignments देना भी एक टेक्निक है लर्निंग लिए. So option A is correct answer. Who stated mathematics is the science which draws an excessive conclusion? ये जो statement से Wenzim precisely देती सी. So option C is right answer. Question 8. The capturing question should be based on out knowledge, knowledge to be taught, knowledge not be to be taught, all of the above. इस अपनी knowledge चेक की जाती है, फिर जो अपन को recap होती है कि पहला जो पढ़ाया उन्हें चेक किया जाता है, so tout knowledge चेक की जाती है. So इसलिए option A is right answer. Question 9. Which of the following is not a trait of an essay type examination? ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਹਾਈ ਰਿਲਾਇਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ, ਇੱਕ ਨੋਮੀਨਲ, requires not training, easy to handle, high reliability. So option D is the right answer. ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਐਸੇ ਟਾਈਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਹਾਈ ਰਿਲਾਇਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈਗੀ। ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਹੁਣ ਆਬਜੈਕਟਿਵ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਉਹ ਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪਤਾ ਵੀ ਕਰੈਕਟ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈ, ਰੋਂਗ ਆਨਸਰ ਹੈ। ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਿਰਫ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੀ ਐਬਿਲਿਟੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲਿਖ ਰਿਹਾ ਵਾ, ਰੋਂਗ ਜਾਂ ਰਾਈਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਹਿ ਸਕਦੇ ਪ੍ਰੋਪਰ। Question number 10. When can comparison question be asked during a lesson? In the beginning, at the end, in the beginning, at the end, at any stages. So comparison questions we ask during the lesson. So in both, in the beginning, at the end, दोनों ते पूछे जा सकते हैं. So option C is right answer. In the beginning, at the end. Question 11. Memory questions are used to test previous knowledge of pupils, present knowledge of pupils, purpose and interest of the purpose discipline. So ਜਿਹੜੇ memory questions ਨੇ ਉਹ previous knowledge check ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇਗੇ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੀ. So option A is correct answer. Doubt provoking questions are asked to develop power of imaginations, logic, decision making, all of the above. ਉਹ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੀ power of imagination ਹੈ ਜੋ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਚੈੱਕ ਕਰ ਰਹੇ ਨੇ. ਸੋ ਆਨਸਰ is also right. Logic ਵੀ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬੱਚੇ ਦੇ ਚੈੱਕ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ provoking questions and decision making ability ਵੀ. So all of the above answer is right. Right option is D. Question number next. The introductory question in a mathematics lesson should be based on previous knowledge, be easy, have linkage. ਜਿਹੜੇ question starting ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੁੱਛੇ ਜਾਂਦੇ introductory questions ਨੇ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਪਿਛਲੀ previous knowledge ਨਾਲ based ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, be easy ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, have a linkage ਵੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. So all of the above option is a right answer. In the structure of a teaching unit is based on subject matter, teaching objects, both A and B, none of these. The structure of teaching unit is based on subject matter, teaching object. So both thi hunda hai. So answer C is the right answer, both A and B. A good educational object should be related to the teacher, testable, small, attractive. जो good education objective है किदे ਲਈ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਗਾ testable ਲਈ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੂੰ ਟੈਸਟ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ. So option B is the right answer, testable. When an introductory question typically asked in the beginning, in midway, at the end, at every stage. The introductory questions ਨੇ ਉਹ lesson ਦੇ beginning start ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ. Question next. What is the aim of questioning in a classroom? To motivate pupils, to create interest, to test previous knowledge, all of the above. So देखिए motivate भी ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ ਵੀ ਕ੍ਰੀਏਟ ਕੀਤਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਟੈਸਟ ਪ੍ਰੀਵੀਅਸ ਨੌਲੇਜ ਵੀ ਚੈੱਕ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ. ਸੋ ਆਪਸ਼ਨ ਡੀ ਇਜ਼ all of the above. Question 18. Which of the following is a characteristic of good questions? Realizations of being thought-provoking, brief and direct, and all of the above. So answer is all of the above क्योंकि तीनों चीजें characteristics good characteristics ਦੀ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਉਂਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. Multiple choice test required ticking the dash alternative. Incorrect, correct, both, none. So answer is B is correct. Who said mathematics is a way to settle the habit of reasoning in the mind of children? इस statement देती सी लॉकिंग ने. So option A is right answer. 21. Which of the following is not a characteristic of mathematics knowledge? Question 21. Which of the following is not a characteristic of mathematical knowledge? Answer A is systematic, flexible, logical, all of these. Answer B is right answer, flexible. 22. Which technique of teaching mathematics develop responsibility and independent study? Self-study, group work, brainstorming, none. So option A is self-study जो कि ਹੁੰਦਾ ਬੱਚੇ ਨੇ independent study ਆ. Question number 23. To be good in mathematics, one needs to master calculations, formulate problems using abstract and logical thinking, memorize formulas, remember solutions. No. So option B is answer Formulate problems using abstract and logical thinking. 24. The nature of mathematics. Understanding is difficult, simple, logical. Ornamental. So option C is right answer, logical. Mathematics student's portfolio can contain. Sorry. The math student's portfolio can contain option A, assignments, worksheet, lab record, posters, cards. Only class tests, artwork and photos. Option D, only notebook. So option A is right answer. Your worksheet be, assignments be, lab record, poster cards, everything. So answer A is the right answer. The nature of mathematics is described as logical, ornamental, and difficult. No. So answer A is logical. Can you describe kara math? Logical. Which of the following is not a professional skill of a teacher? A. Self-knowledge, experimentation, dedication, satisfactory knowledge of social matter. So, satisfactory is knowledge of social matter is right options. Who said mathematics is mirror of civilizations? A statement Hogwarts option C is right answer. The main aim of drill work in mathematics is option A, clear new concept, understand formulas, enhance computer skill, apply knowledge. So main drill work की करता गा knowledge दे काम करता गा. So option D is apply knowledge. Who said it is more useful to know how to mathematize than to know a lot of mathematics? A statement देती सी David Wheeler ने. David Wheeler. Option A is right answer. A major reason for failure in mathematics at school level is overemphasis on procedural assessment, gender basis subject assessment, access formative assessment. Option A is overemphasis on procedural assessment. Sorry, 32. Mathematical tools include option A, measuring instrument, charts and models, language, symbols and instructions, only physical material. Option C, language, symbol and instructions. Question number 30. GNIT stands for growing ability in numerical innovations and techniques, growing aptitude in numerical innovations and training, growing ability in numerical innovations and training, growing aptitude in numerical innovation and techniques. So option B, growing aptitude in numerical innovation and training. Question 34. Which is not a mathematical process? Number A, memorization, measurement, visualizations, estimation. So option A is memorizations is not a mathematical process. 35. Which statement about science and mathematics is wrong? May I start with an options. Science use only deductive reasoning. Math is man-made. Science depends on experiment. Option A, may I start with option. Question number 36. Using n instead of numbers to prove when statements show deductive logic, common sense, estimation, and inductive logic. So option A is deductive logic. Which is not true about mathematics project? Improve problem solving. B. Promote inquiries. C. Make scoring easy. D. Build in interdisciplinary links. So option C. Make scoring easy. Survey-based project aim to option A. Problem solving. 2. Authentic data. Break monotony. D. Alternate assessment. Correct option A, B, and D. Karein, which is the defined term in mathematics? Line, point, diagonal of the quadrilateral plane. Option is A, line. A good mathematics textbook should include more. A. Practice questions. Exploratory questions. Bucket example. Proof. Exploratory questions. Option B is right answer. To introduce fraction, a teacher should start with option A. To write the fraction in the form of A upon B, where V is not equal to 0. V. Fractional part of real objects. Option C. Numerator and denominator. Option D. Number line. So option B is the right answer. Fractional part of real objects. Understanding concept and principle fulfill which objects? Skill, previous knowledge, observation, and perceptions. So answer D is right answer is perception.